Okay, in this video, I will teach you how to make the end screen using by TubeBuddy. Okay, so you have a good end screen in your video. You can earn more a lot of views, more of subscribers. That is what I have done also. That's why I have more subscribers and have more views because of the end screen. Because after you finish the end screen at the end already, so they will press the good end screen, like for example your other video. Okay, they will view your other videos, and for example you make a cards for your end screen. Okay, so you can find a way that you can choose what end screen you can put: card, template, channel link, video, playlist. You can put, because if you want to use the TubeBuddy, it's very good for you, extension by the YouTube. Okay, so TubeBuddy is really can teach you how to do that. You can earn more views, and then they were easy for you to make the videos. Okay, the end screen, you go and press all this thing at the dashboard, all the videos you can press there, and then you have to put the link below also if you want to do the TubeBuddy, like you already connected to the YPP, like YouTube Partner Program. Okay, so when you are already have connected by them, is you already have a business with the YouTube, they will put you there, and then they will allow you that you can put the TubeBuddy link, and then they will press you together, and then you have to collaborate with the TubeBuddy. So the TubeBuddy, especially you have a licenses, like for example Star, Legend, or highest licenses, is really good for your YouTube channel, that you can earn more views and more subscribers. If you really know how to put the end screen, using the TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy, they will show you, and then they will, especially the collaboration of the TubeBuddy, like for the TubeBuddy user, they can collaborate you, and then you can press in your link and press in your link channel, they will put you there also the same at the end screen. So it's really good idea that you have to use the TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel if you really want to earn the views and subscribers, because end screen of the TubeBuddy, they will earn for you the subscribers. Okay, so I will show you here by this video. Okay, I will show you here at my video. I press here, you're using the TubeBuddy. Okay, example here, you can press here at the details. So you use from here, Endscreen. Okay, correct. So for example, like this, you can add a template. For example, okay, you press here. Okay, so you can add already the template. You can add by example. You can add video playlist. Okay, example this. I will add from here. I will arrange. Okay, here. If you put the template, you cannot be overlapped because they cannot show. And then if you add more, because the template already 4, so this video how to make the templates last, this is the one. Okay, we can make it this into Endscreen add, and then you can save, press save, and then okay, done. So yeah, like for example this one, they already have an end screen. For example, I already go to the end. Oops. Okay, like for example this, going to the end, and my end screen can see here. Okay, so it's easy for you to make the end screen by using the TubeBuddy, which is you already have a license like a Star and Legend. So easy for you to put inside there. It's not this one. Okay, so we make here, we put the Endscreen. Okay, look like this. You can see it is this one. You can press here. You can arrange all. You cannot be overlap, otherwise it will not, they will not be accepted. So you can put here. Okay, here also at the end screen, this video you can put, like for example, set this video as end screen of template for the TubeBuddy. So here you can save. Okay, when you download the TubeBuddy, I will give you the link. It's a free download. You just, I press to you at the down below here. I save my link here, copy the link. I put my, okay, for example this. Okay, so here I press my link here to the, here to this description, easy for you to read. Oh, this is title, sorry. Okay, and then you can, okay, here the title, here I can put the description here, for example. Okay, like that. Okay, easy for you. If you want to press easy for you to download for free. Okay, so I can add you here. It's very simple. Because when you use the TubeBuddy, the TubeBuddy is very good to use the extension. It's an extension that you can use. If you use only the YouTube, it's very slow. If you want to do the TubeBuddy, is make you faster. And then for example like this. Okay, the dashboard you want to see. Like for example like this. Okay, it's connected to the TubeBuddy. Is really can use, and then they will show here everything. They will see, you can see from here, and then you can see the analytic from here, and then you can press back again if you want to see the playlist or comments, analytic from the TubeBuddy, extension tools from the TubeBuddy. They will show all these things, the keyword explorer, video topic planner, tag list, best time to publish. They will tell you also. So if you want to download this, you can press I will put the description below. Okay, the link, easy for you to download, and it was free. So I will suggest to you guys to use the TubeBuddy. The best time to publish, they will tell you. If you want to views fast, increase chance of virality, you might want to publish a couple hours before your audience's peak viewing day on in a week. Okay, how it is. The TubeBuddy will teach you how is it the overwhelming, like for example, YouTube expert is the best time to publish of any day and time that you can consistently publish. What most important is that your audience knows your publishing schedule and when to expect new content. So make sure to include your schedule on your channel banner. So they say that there are the couple other recommended strategies that is a can try of your schedule allows you to the freedom publish of any time. So if you want fast and increase the chance of vitality, you might be published a couple of hours before your audience peak viewing day, time, and week. So how it is, okay? Head to your real-time views analytic. Examine your last 24 hours chart. Find the hours of the day, and then viewers are published with 2 to 3, 4 hours before that. So connect your YouTube channel and Google Analytics for daily. Hourly, that data is beyond. Okay, oftentimes your peak is analytics. Well, consider the schedule. Keep this in mind, analyzing the data. Okay, so they will show you everything is here. And for example, okay, like this, the member perks. when you have a license of the TubeBuddy, they will have free TubeBuddy mobile. For example, you press here, you want to learn, like this example, you just download here. Okay, I screenshot this one. Okay, you just download from here when you are using a mobile. Okay, so they have a tuber tools also, a high quality graphics and video effects for your YouTube channel. It was free when you have a license. Like for example, I got it the star. Okay, so start downloading. You can see that it have an end screen, have a thumbnail frames, have a transition, have a lower thirds. You can see and you can download from here. For example, this I want to download. For example, this is the member perks that they are giving to you. Okay, so here, press here, and then you can do the affiliate program. Okay, so affiliate program for the TubeBuddy is really good. Okay, as you can see here at the video, I will show you that this is the one, the standard affiliate is 30 commission. Okay, if you want to earn the money, you get the 50 people to install the TubeBuddy and you can apply to become a VIP affiliate. So 40% commission, no minimum payment, 1 year free star level upgrade of yourself. Get 250 people to install the TubeBuddy and you can apply to become a super affiliate. 50% of commission, no minimum payment, free lifetime legend upgrade for yourself. So affiliate program handbook already also have. They have affiliate forum. So I have already the 3 clicks and the 3 this month so far 3 and lifetime I have 13. So I don't have yet the payments yet. So I will try my best that the people will click on my link. So this is my link. And then they will see my payment here if they want to pay me the TubeBuddy. So this is how they promote the TubeBuddy using the different method. Okay, so they will teach you that this is your link. They will give you the link, the banner link. If you want to do some like link all, then you have to put here the TubeBuddy pricing. Also, you can do here from here. They have a terms and condition. You get 30% of every subscription payment. Okay, so payments are made on the 1st of every month. All the payments are made for PayPal. Minimum payment of $10 per month of standard affiliate and no minimum of VIP of super affiliate. Subscription are eligible for payment payout 30 days after payment has been made. Terms and subject and changes, you must comply all the full TubeBuddy affiliate program terms of service. So this is what you do, the affiliate program. Also, you can link from here. Okay, I already linked from the mobile, Twitter, Facebook, Patreon, Social Blue Book, and then here Amazon Alexa. They have a lot. Okay, the member perks I show you just now. Affiliate center. Okay, the best way I learned from the TubeBuddy is the video topics. Like for example here, you are the beginner and then you don't know the topic. You can see this is the topic you can prefer if you really don't know. So it's the best way to download your TubeBuddy and purchase the license. Like for example, star you already have this. Okay, so you can see all these, the idea. They will give you an idea of the content. So this is the one. That's why you have to use the TubeBuddy. They will give you all these content. That's why you have an idea how to make a content. So the thumbnail templates also here have. The channel art also have here. Okay, you can make from here. Preview, like for example like this. So here is really good for you. Okay, they will give you the templates, channel art, and screen. Example, you look at that, the screen, you download like this. Preview, become like this. Okay, so it's really good that I advise you that you have to download the TubeBuddy. They have a collab space, like for example here. User paid TubeBuddy, they already have 1 year collab space pro. So you download this, you can find it all. So all of the collaboration. Okay, so here Audio Hero, they also have a music without copyright. So this is the one, my link here. If I want to download or make my own, I use my music. This is the audio I can use. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so it's very best an idea to make to launch the TubeBuddy. This is my link. You press that, then you can get the commission. Okay, so here I have already licenses the star. Actually, they are different of licenses. Like for example, I press from here. I have here license channel name is a star. Actually, they have a legend. They have a different type of different type of licenses. Okay, so it's very good for you. You can make, and then the TubeBuddy, they will help you to earn more views, more subscribers. That is what I have done in my channel.